Hello everyone, namaste and welcome to my channel The Sassy Club. I hope all you guys are doing well and safe out there. And today's video is all about Hill Road shopping haul. So recently I went to Hill Road with my friends and I have taken many things which I really wanted to share with you guys. So stay tuned for that, and without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the first, which I'm wearing. So it's a turtleneck with full sleeve sweatshirt in navy blue color. As you guys know, winter has been started, so these are must haves in your wardrobe, and this was just for 200 rupees. I loved it, had to pick this one. So I'll be inserting all the clips of wearing them. So the second top which I have bought is this Mickey Mouse printed crop top. As you guys can see, this is so cute. I mean, the print of the Mickey Mouse, and I just loved it. And this is just for 100 rupees, and I'm just going to pair this with the denim jacket upar se, because it will look really cute. And I mean guys, just look at the print, and just for 100 bucks it's worth it. The next top which I have bought is the same sweatshirt, just in the grey color, but it does not have this much kind of big turtleneck. It is just small ones, and again full sleeve and free size, means no size issues kind of. And this was again for 200 rupees, which I really liked. Okay, so the next top is again a sweatshirt which is in mustard colored and which is half sleeved. This is the plain, again free size. I love the color of it, which is bright mustard, because of which I had to buy, and I thought it will look nice and cute on me. So this one again was for 200 rupees. Material of all the three sweatshirts which I have showed was really thick. Nothing is see-through, which is a great thing again. And for 200 rupees, it is just a surprising thing. So the next top is this one. This is a satin t-shirt with a pocket on left side of it, and it was really shiny. And actually I wanted to give it a try to satin clothes, because I have not really worn any kind of satin material of cloth, so I really wanted to give it a try, and this looked very sweet and cute, which is why I have bought it. This was just for rupees 200 again. So the next top is this one, which is lavender, like kind of frog top, which I really loved. And guys, just look at the color, lavender color, and the black detailing going on. It makes it so much pretty, which is like kind of to die for. I'm going to wear this definitely again and again. That much I have liked it. So I am done with the tops. So the next thing which I have bought is this jeans, which is kind of little tan and white, mixture of tan and white, and this was just for 300 rupees, and surprisingly it fits me perfect. I mean, I'm not going to share the clip, but I'm going to share the picture of me wearing the jeans. It fits me really perfect, and it is again stretchable, so no complaints on the jeans, and I'll be giving like 10 on 10 on these jeans. So I have done with the clothes. Now the next thing which I have bought is these slides, which is black in color and kind of shiny, with having the detailing of this kind of bow, which was really attractive and I loved them. And this was for rupees 220 rupees something, and yeah, this fits me perfect again, and I love the color. It will go with all the outfits again, and kind of shiny also, that it gives a cute vibe and everything. So yeah, this was the buy which this was the thing which I have bought in footwear. The shopkeeper told the price of this kind of 400, so me and my friend bargained it and bought it for 220 rupees. So my tip is like, if you're going to Hill Road, then bargaining is must, because the shopkeeper will be saying the price of something like kind of, if you're taken something and the shopkeeper is saying the price of 600, then cut it down to half, like for 300 literally. Cause at the end I have seen this many times, that the person will be agreed to the price whatever we say to them, and yeah, anyway they also have to sell the things, so they agrees to whatever price we say. The next thing which I had bought is this cute necklace, which was for 100 rupees. The last thing which I had bought is these shades. So that was all the things which I had bought from Hill Road. I hope all you guys enjoyed watching my video, and yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like the video, do give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so whenever I post any video you'll be getting notified. Comment down below which thing you like the most. Stay tuned for more fun videos by subscribing to my channel. Tab tak liye bye.